How often do you see a Defender 90 that looks really good, but when it's in a special colour? Like this one, it's called Silicone Silver. It's a 2025 25 registration with literally 22 miles on. But this car's really nice for lots of reasons. One of them is because the engine and spec. Engine, it's got the D350, which is 3-litre diesel, 350 brake horsepower. You can only imagine a car this size with that sort of brake horsepower, diesel, Newton meters of torque, the car just pulls. It feels really, really good. The X-Dynamic HSE means trim level, and that car's got lots of specification, almost everything you'll ever need in any car. Being a Defender, we already know that the drive's superb on the road and they're absolutely fantastic off the road. But this one has been enhanced to look super special, and that starts off with a black styling kit. The Canards on the corner, the wide track body arch kit, which is very much detailed and different, and I'll show you in a few more seconds. Remember, the car is a 25 plate, so you have got the remainder of the full 3 years manufacturer's warranty. Very important feature on all Defenders is the air suspension. This car has that. The black styling pack starts here. Now, it's not just the black styling pack, it's what colour the car is, because if this was a black Defender, which we do sell lots of, sometimes the black styling pack gets lost. Against the Silicone Silver, which is a silver with a hint of gold in, looks classy and sporty. The black pops, that's the Defender badging, the gloss black bonnet venting, the headlight casing, and being the HSE, you have got the full matrix headlights with the Fusion Blue DRLs. Talk about the DRLs, you've got the squared LED DRLs at the bottom that look absolutely amazing and completely changes the whole front end of this car. You've then got the corner splitters around the fog lights, and there's a Canards. 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, the 22-inch V-man wheels just there, which again look really good. There's so many different sets of wheels out there, but I do think sometimes you pick a bad bunch, they just look really bad. It just looks terrible. Going back to the wide track arches here, you can see the detailing with a double lip, also the dells in here, it's a bit bigger, a bit bulkier, and it has a very good look about it. The side vents are finished in gloss black. You've then got the gloss black mud flaps front and rear, and you have the black side steps. With the Silicone Silver, the black again is split with a contrasting roof, and that looks really good. Tilt and sliding sunroof on this car being the HSE, and you've also got comfort access. But then the interior, obviously it is like new. The first thing you notice on the door card here is this one's got the Meridian surround sound systems. It's an upgraded version of the Media. Ambient lighting, which is in the door pockets, the handles, the centre cab, and also the backdrop. But then look at the leather again. A lot of these Defenders come with half leather, leather wannabes, a bit of cloth. This is nice, premium, soft leather. The big screen navigation does the same thing with regards to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, DAB, onboard computer, 4x4 settings, does all that. It's very clever, very easy to use. Down from that, you've got the climate control area, heated seats, ventilated seats, the air suspension setting, front and rear heated windscreen, and then you've got the heating fans, and again, the different driving options that are available. So you can pick eco, grass, gravel, mud, snow, and the rest of it. Automatic gearbox. This is lovely leather wrapped, and because this is a 2025 model year, you might have noticed that they've just slightly changed the centre bridge area, raising the cup holders, and you've got the wireless charging pad just there now. More cubby hole space underneath. Remember, this is a Defender 90, but it still means you have got seats in the back. So it's a 5-seater vehicle with ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, and that centre armrest also comes down. The car does come with fully fitted mats. As you get to the back of the car, you'll notice that sportiness, the enhancements continue with the rear spoiler, the hardback spare wheel cover, and you can't really tell from this video presentation, but the lighting has a more exclusive dark tint to them, so they look really good when it's off. The X-Dynamic continues on the back bumper where it's gloss black. You've got this hardback on the rear, which it means you can easily sort of wipe down, and most recently they've adapted the way they do this. If you look at the older 22, 23 models, this wasn't there, which comes out completely. But the reason I like this is when you do put the seats down, you've now got a flat surface. Before, you had one level, the metal bar, and then 2 levels, which is a little bit awkward. So this has made a massive difference. Great job by the Land Rover. Condition, the car's doing 22 miles, so I'm not really going to hold on that too much because it's like brand new, isn't it? You've got the cutouts there on this wide track body styling kit, the illuminated entry kick plates, electric windows and mirrors, And then you've got the full digital dashboard for the driver zone, and you can configure that. Other features like adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, lane assist, stereo controls and Bluetooth controls, and you can adjust the steering column up and down, in and out by using this. This is nice soft leather, like the leather on the seats. The 360 camera system is in high definition, very clear, and you can see all the way around the vehicle without any questions or any reason to curb the wheels or damage your car. Like I said, different settings are available. Car's in a fantastic condition. It's got the tilt and sliding sunroof. It's the right colour combination, and it's just like new. This car's going live now. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.